in today's video, I'm going to show you how I maximize my small space to grow vegetables for my home consumption and for sale. So if you have your place, maybe your compound, and you feel like you can use it to grow some of these vegetables, I'm here to give you some tips, some of the different vegetables that you should grow, how you should grow them, how long does it take for them to grow. So this is going to be a very amazing video. So let's start right away. In this video we have a lot of vegetables. We have Chinese cabbage, that one that is on your screen. It's very beautiful and sweet for salad. You can even make it, you steam, you fry, you can eat it in all forms. It's really beautiful and sweet and tasty. We also have spinach in the middle, and then we have tomatoes. And so in the pots that are small, I have planted this new vegetable called pak choy. It is also very beautiful and sweet. I'll be showing you how it's going to look when it grows. And so we've grown it together with purple cabbage. We want to really do a lot of vegetables around here. So we have collards, we have eggplants, we have bitter berries, we have a variety here of vegetables all in my compound. So I really want to encourage you to maximize your space and grow food that you can basically consume at your home. Most of these vegetables grow very fast. In a period of 3 weeks, you have some of them ready to be eaten. And most of them, you start growing them from the nursery bed, or if you can't manage nursery bed, then you buy the already grown seedlings, you plant. They are very cheap and very affordable. We have them. If you really need the seedlings, you can text me and I'll give them to you and you'll be able to plant. So just like you have seen, you use different technologies to do the farming, and it's really so basically, as you have seen, you can use car tires, you can use pots, you can use sacks, you can use the jerry cans that you have around your home, those that are not in use. You can use anything literally to plant these vegetables. When you plant these vegetables, you know that you have saved money that you'll be giving in the market to buy the vegetables. Then you can save it and buy something else, and also you will have balanced diet, and you will also have clean and safe food that you have grown around your home, and that will save you from food contamination. Most of the veggies that we buy in the market are really not safe because some of them are not well cleaned. They use dirty water. Some of them are not grown in proper places. So doing this will save you from a lot. Instead of having food poisoning every time in your home, you will have saved that money that you will have given to the doctor. So plant these vegetables for your home consumption, your children, and the remaining for sale. You can have some money as a woman, and life goes on. Thank you. Like, subscribe.